Hi. Right, I have a question for you girls. Have you ever wondered how you can make a boat sink? How can you make a boat sink?
Or they see it bump.
Okay. Should we try? We're going to pretend that these are boats. Do you think that what will happen if you put them in the water? Are they going to float or are they going to sink?
That's so big.
Well, we're going to see. It's big, isn't it? Put yours in the water.
Mine can float.
I put yours in the water. Does yours float?
Yeah.
Does yours float?
Yeah.
Now then, how do you think we could make them sink?
I know.
Tell me.
By putting lots of things in it.
Okay, now what have we got to put in
And
there?
then we can push it down like coins.
Okay, now we're going to see. You're going to both put coins in, and then you're going to see which one sinks first. Have a think. Do you think yours is going to sink first, or do you think yours is going to sink
Mine.
first? Oh, you both think. Let's see. Okay, now wait a minute. Let's put them in one by one. We've got to see. You've got to count. Can you count them? One.
Oh.
You okay?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine.
Oh,
Mine!
who sunk first?
Mine!
Yours sunk first. Have a look. Have a look, guys. Is yours
Mine
sunk
is
first?
so little.
Do you think that's what? So which one sunk first? The little one or the big one?
Mine!
Ah, good, cool. That's our first video. Say bye.